Most of us use an external hard drive to store all our personal as well as business or work data. And unfortunately, you have formatted or deleted those files. Don't worry, because in this video, we'll teach you how to recover deleted files from external hard drive. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel for more contents just like this one. Method 1. Using CMD to recover your data. Press Windows plus R keys and type in CMD. Next, type in this command. Make sure you replace the letter X with your drive letter. Then press Enter. After that command is executed, type in this short command. Even here, remember to replace the letter X with your drive letter and press Enter key. And finally, type in this last command and execute it. Remember guys, the command prompt method doesn't always work, but still you can give it a try, and if this method didn't work for you, then try the next method. Method 2. Using the best data recovery software. Well, the best data recovery software that is available on the market right now is nothing but AnyRecover, which is the most effective way to recover data from the external hard drive. So make sure you check the video description to download AnyRecover and try it for free. But remember guys, for the full data recovery, you'll need to purchase the professional version. Luckily, we offer a YouTube 10% discount code, ARYT0110, which you can find in the video description and channel homepage. Enter the code in the I have a coupon area to receive the discount. This offer is available for a limited 1-week time, so act fast. After installing AnyRecover, open the application. Then, click on PC and hard drive recovery and select your external hard drive. Now, AnyRecover will scan your external hard drive for all the data that were stored before it was formatted or deleted. Once the process completes, select the files that you want to recover and click on the Recover button. Next, you will need to select the location where you want to paste in your recovered files, and then you have successfully recovered your files. Well, in this way, you can recover deleted files from external hard drive. Do follow each and every steps carefully, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this one. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!